Ever wondered how to attract butterflies to your garden? Creating a butterfly-friendly garden not only brings beauty and life to your backyard, but it also contributes to the conservation of these delicate creatures. Well, today, you'll learn how to turn your garden into a butterfly haven. Creating a butterfly-friendly garden is simpler than you might think. It's all about offering the right environment and resources that these delicate creatures need to thrive. First off, let's talk about plants. Butterflies are drawn to brightly colored, nectar-rich flowers. Consider planting species like milkweed, coneflowers, and butterfly bush. And remember, variety is key. Different species of butterflies have different preferences, so a diverse plant selection will attract a wider range of butterflies. Next up, water. Butterflies need shallow water sources for drinking. Consider adding a bird bath or a shallow dish filled with water and some pebbles for them to land on. Now let's think about sunlight. Butterflies are cold-blooded and need sunny spots to warm their wings for flight. Therefore, ensure your garden gets plenty of sun. Avoiding pesticides is also crucial. These chemicals can harm butterflies at all stages of their life cycle. Opt for natural pest control methods instead. Lastly, maintenance. Regularly deadhead your flowers to encourage new blooms, and leave some fallen leaves as they provide shelter for butterfly larvae. By following these steps, you can create a garden that attracts and supports butterflies. Let's recap what we've learned. By planting native plants, providing water, and avoiding pesticides, you can create a welcoming environment for butterflies in your garden. Remember, every butterfly-friendly garden plays a small but important role in conserving these beautiful creatures. So get out there, get your hands dirty, and make your garden a butterfly paradise. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!